Hey, this is Brian with Square Foot Gardening for the Red River Valley, and I'm getting excited. Excited for what? Excited for spring! Spring is an exciting time for all gardeners. We've been planning our gardens, selecting what kind of crops we're going to grow, what kind of flowers we're going to plant, and even envision the sights and the smells that we remember from previous gardens. And the soil in our gardens is alive with microbes. Many of these are very beneficial, but some, not so much. We'd hate to introduce anything that wasn't beneficial into our gardens, so let's take a look at one easy thing that we can do to protect our gardens from unwanted invaders. Disinfecting our potting media and tools is one of the simplest things that we can do to protect our gardens from unwanted pests and disease. Even though much of our gardening supplies go through a long period of below zero temperatures, that alone is not enough to eliminate all the soil-borne creatures that we don't want in our gardens. We need to be sure to clean our potting trays, our pots, our tools, to keep from spreading bad things from last year into this year. There's 3 easy steps that I refer to as dump, dunk, and dry. Even though we talked about cleaning, don't forget to keep those fingers dirty.